Are you trying to decide between Tailwind and Bootstrap? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their projects. In this video, we'll compare Tailwind and Bootstrap. Both are popular tools for web design, but they work in different ways. Let's start with what they have in common. Both Tailwind and Bootstrap help you build websites faster. They provide pre-made components and styles, making it easier to create a nice layout. Now, let's look at Tailwind. Tailwind is a utility first CSS framework. This means it gives you small, reusable classes to style your elements. You can mix and match these classes to get the look you want. It's very flexible and allows for a lot of customization. On the other hand, we have Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a component based framework. It comes with ready to use components like buttons, modals, and navigation bars. This makes it quick to set up a site, but it can be less customizable than Tailwind. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Tailwind focuses on utility classes, while Bootstrap focuses on components. If you want more control over your design, Tailwind might be better for you. If you want to get started quickly with a uh, standard look, Bootstrap is a solid choice. When it comes to features, Tailwind offers a lot of customization options. You can create your own styles easily. Bootstrap has a lot of built in components which can save time but may limit your creativity. Pricing is another factor. Both Tailwind and Bootstrap are free to use, which is great for developers on a budget. So, which one should you choose? If you like to have full control over your design, go with Tailwind. If you want to get up and running fast with a polished look, Bootstrap is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.